What is going on, guys? What is going on? And welcome back to another video. And today we're picking up CTR parts, Civic Type R parts for the EK build. It's been a minute since I picked up some parts for the EK. Y'all know it. I've been getting a few little things here and there from like some subscribers and a friend of mine over in Japan that sent me like the road flare and the VIN tag. But just recently, you know, got in contact with this homie there at one of the meets with a right-hand drive EK. It's the one that you saw in the previous vlog. It's the one that you saw in the vlog where I went to the track, the white one. So I got in touch with him, we talked and stuff like that. He said he had a couple of Type R parts for sale. In other words, I'm picking up a CTR cluster for the car, for the EK, and just get the ball rolling on this build. You know, I'm gonna start driving it soon. Probably by next week I'll have it driven. I'll be driving it. I'm gonna try to daily it for a little bit. This is my daily. I have a 2015 Chrysler 300 white, and is my daily. But I kind of don't want to put that many miles on this car anymore. So I want to maybe leave it for like a weekend car, and then I'll use the Civic for like my daily commute. You know, I go to work and back, whatever, go to the gym and all that stuff. And yeah, that's about it. I'm actually on the way to Adrian's house over in Doral. He's out there just to, you know, meet up with the guy. And yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna meet up with Adrian now, and then we're gonna meet up with the homie with the EK. His name is Hervin. And yep, that's about it. I'll see you guys now. Let's tag on. Alright guys, so quick turn of events. Couldn't go to Adrian's house because Hervin was just too far from Adrian's house, so we ended up meeting at another spot, and I got the EK9 CTR cluster. I'll show you guys when I get home. I have it here. Actually, I'll just move the camera over here and you guys can see it. And this is it right here. Just gotta clean it up, and yeah, that's about it. I'll show you guys. It has like about 6,000 miles. Not really sure if they moved it back or if the miles were moved back or whatever. When it came from Japan, those are pretty easy to move back the miles. I have a video on how to do it. Not for anything illegal. You know, I made the video not for anything illegal on how to move back the miles on the EK. But I don't know if this one has the miles moved. Actually, I stopped, so let me show it to you guys. This is it right here. Looks very nice. EK9 CTR cluster. I love it. It looks amazing. But yeah, just one of the little things to get motivated and get it. Buddy gave me a great deal. Appreciate you, Hervin, for hooking the brother up. And yeah, that's about it. Like I said, it has like 6,000 miles. Let's go home and install it. It's raining a little bit here in Miami, and Miami is freaking bipolar as hell. It's like the sun is out, it's raining, the sun is out, it's raining. Yeah, but let's go ahead and install it on the way home now to go put it on. But I wanted to clarify some stuff that YouTube, because you guys might see some changes in my channel. I mean, I'm not posting as much, or maybe like a video every week or every 2 weeks, maybe every 2 weeks. But there's been some changes going on in the YouTube platform, the YouTube thing. Like right now my channel basically freezes. So like if I upload a video, it'll freeze like at 10 views. Give me 1 second, I'm getting a call. So like if I upload a video, it'll freeze like at 10 or 20 views. The views will internally keep building up, and then in like 3 days the views get updated. Like, it's weird. It's like the only thing I can see right now, it's how many people are subscribing. You know, someone subscribes and then I can see that, but I can't see the views or anything like that. But yeah, just if you guys see some strange stuff like that, you know, like, oh man, this guy's videos are not getting views, it's just right now YouTube is it's in a really dark place, and it's just messing everything up with the channel. I mean, it's, you know, you lose motivation when you have no control of what's going on, because before it was pretty good. Before I could see how much money I was making, the revenue, the views, everything. I could see it daily. Now I can't see crap. you know, and hopefully they fix that. I've emailed them a bunch of times, but just in case if you guys see like some strange things on the channel, like the views not going up, or you know, or if you see that the channel's dying, actually it's not dying. I'm getting more subscribers and a lot more views, but it's just they're not showing. But anyways, let's go ahead and install it. Enough of the talk, and let's go on. All right, guys. So I'm running the UKDM, not the UKDM. What am I talking about? I'm running the Canadian cluster, and I'm gonna swap it out for the CTR cluster. I'll have the Canadian cluster for sale. I'll show it to you guys now. It's this one right here. Works perfectly. Everything is in perfect condition. You can hit me up on the DM, and I'll give it to you for a really good price, shipped or whatever. So let's go ahead and install it. And yeah, let's see how it works. We'll turn on the car. Let's do it.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so...
All right, guys, so let's go ahead and turn it on. Not turn it on, but let's see if everything's working. Well, yeah, turn it on before I actually put back the screws. I want to make sure that everything is working in perfect condition. Got all the lights on. Perfect. RPM's working perfect. Hopefully this goes up. Hopefully this levels out. I hope so, because it's a little low. But other than that, I mean, yep, it's working perfect. Let's go ahead and put it back, and I'll come back to you guys right now. All right, guys, so yeah, this is basically it. That's on right there. Let me go around and see if you can see it. And man, it works perfect. That might even be my thumbnail. I'm gonna do something like that. Yeah. But yeah, it works perfect. Everything is cool. All I need to do is get rid of this steering wheel now. But the gentleman, Hervin, who sold me the cluster, has a CTR steering wheel that I'm gonna pick up too. Very good price. So it's coming along. You know, I got my little KTM pocket here. Cluster, my little toe. If you guys heard that talking, it's the little toe that I have right here. It's a Japanese toe. And yeah, that's about it. The flare. And I feel like I want to take this carpet out again and redo it, because it gets very dirty. I mean, as you can see, it's already dirty there. But I am also picking up the CTR red carpet, and that's something that's gonna come in soon, and hopefully that will make a difference. We'll probably clean that and pressure wash that. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys on the next one. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified whenever I post a video. I'll see you guys.
What does perfect even mean?